don't know why this thing is effed up. So I have to like pull underneath the thing because it doesn't slide easily.
Recording video.
Oh, I see. I thought you could push my camera. I didn't know you think could do video.
Oh, this is a video. Whoopsie.
First if they're rolling. The sap belly. Oh, is it dripping? No, it's just there, right? Oh, you can voice over in post. Ah, that's smart. Okay. Get your foot out of it. It isn't.
Oh, I wasn't recording.
Moron.
Freak. Something really cool happened. We turned the light on. Wait, can you show it again? Victor. Can you show it again? Thanks.
I know, right?
Awesome. Yeah.